Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what I eat in a day with all of my favorite superfoods from the Matcha Reserve. So the first recipe is what I had for breakfast, and it was maca banana pancakes, and these looked and taste amazing. So all I'm going to do is take my favorite pancake mix that is vegan. All you have to do is just add some water to it, and I just eyeball the water. I don't really measure it out until it's a pancake consistency. And the superfood that I'll be using is my maca powder, which I love. I try to get maca into my diet every single day because it does help with hormonal balances. It helps if you have hormonal acne, so I notice when I eat this on the regular or incorporate it within my daily routine, I have much clearer skin. It also offers a natural boost of energy, and after I ate this breakfast, I was bouncing off the walls, ready to get all of my work done. Not to mention it has a nice caramel taste, which I find complements the pancakes perfectly. So for me, I really like to sort of fry my pancakes, so I have a nice hot skillet going with a little bit of oil. Cook your pancakes the way that you like. I just like a nice little bite to them, so I find that this is the perfect way for me to cook them. And of course, it wouldn't be maca banana pancakes without some fresh banana on top. This one is super sweet and ready to eat, so I'm just going to slice this up. Feel free to use whatever fruit you have on hand, but I find that maca goes really well when it's paired with banana. So that's what I had for breakfast. It was extremely filling, super delicious, and I highly recommend you dolls try this out. On to my snack. Now I had kombucha, which is a great afternoon pick-me-up, but I wanted to make this more of a filling snack by throwing in some chia seeds. I love chia seeds. When you mix them with the liquid, they get jellified. They get really fluffy and they have a really good bite to them. So I'm just adding about a tablespoon into a jar. I'm topping it off with my favorite kombucha, and you want to make sure not to just throw the chia seeds in your kombucha bottle and then shake it up because it will explode. So I'm gently going to go in and stir it so it doesn't get too clumped together, and then I'm just going to throw the lid on this jar and pop it in the fridge to set for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, or until you notice that the chia seeds get nice and jellified. So once it's done, you are happy to drink it. It has a really good crunch to it as well, so it's great on the go, or like I said, an afternoon treat, and it's one of my favorites. Great compliment. Plus, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and they are packed with fiber. Plus, kombucha is packed with probiotics, so it couldn't get any better than this. Now I want to share my green juice, which I make in a NutriBullet using my organic moringa powder from the Matcha Reserve. So I'm going to start off with some fresh bananas. I'm going to top it off with a nice handful of fresh spinach, and I'm also going to throw in some frozen mango just to sweeten this up so it's not too green, but you can use whatever fruit and veg you have on hand. I'm also going to top it off with a teaspoon of my moringa powder and lots of water to get a nice smooth consistency. Moringa powder is great at giving you a nice calm boosting energy throughout the day, so it'd be perfect for a pre or post workout snack. It also helps to fight inflammation in the body, which is perfect if you have acne prone skin and you want to sort of clear that up. This is definitely a drink that I would recommend you guys give a go, and you can see how nice and smooth this is. It was very green in taste, so definitely keep that in mind. Maybe add more fruit if you want to kind of mask that, but I didn't mind at all. It was very tasty and it was exactly what I needed to power me through the day. This probably has to be something that I make so often. It's my acai bowl, which you can honestly make a million different ways. So as a base, I always start out with lots of frozen bananas. I'm going to throw in some frozen berries to give it a nice tart taste. And then I'm going to add in a nice heaping spoonful of that acai powder, which is so pigmented. It's full of antioxidants. It's going to help with inflammation in the body and really help give you clear skin. I'm also going to add a little spoonful of honeysuckle powder, which is going to be a nice natural sweetener, which also has properties to help with inflammation. This is definitely a meal for healthy hair, skin, and nails, which is why it's my go-to. And then I'm going to top it off with my favorite almond milk and give it a nice blend. Be sure not to add too much liquid because we want this to be thick and creamy and not like a runny smoothie. So less liquid is always best. And then I'm just going to throw this in a bowl and then add all of my favorite toppings like fresh granola. Of course, I'm going to add my chia seeds. We already know how much I love those because they are packed with fiber. It's going to help keep us full longer because they do actually expand in your belly when you eat them, which is kind of crazy. And then I'm also going to top it off with some fresh fruit. Today all I had was bananas, but you could definitely do fresh raspberries or fresh strawberries would be really good. This was so good and super filling, by far my favorite meal. So I hope you dolls enjoyed today's superfood edition, what I eat in a day. Now I didn't eat all of this in this day. I simply wanted to share my favorite recipes that I incorporate throughout the week. So huge shout out to the Matcha Reserve for collaborating with me on today's video. Be sure to check out the description box below to shop all of my favorite superfoods. There's even a special coupon link for my dolls exclusively. So be sure to check that out. And if you guys enjoy these recipes, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, I will see you dolls in my next video very soon.